Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. So today I have my friend who is also my neighbor with me, and as you can see, those were her natural nails after we removed her previous polygel color. And we actually cut and shaped her nails and I prepped them for her new color. So yeah. Now I am going in with the Mia Secret Extra Bond Primer. This is a non-acid primer and I'm applying 2 coats of this to her nails. So I know some people don't add a primer when they're doing polygel, but I like to add a primer whether I'm doing polygel, gel polish, acrylic, whatever I'm doing. I like to add a primer because I feel like, it gives that extra security to ensure that the nails will last. All right, so once I have done the 2 coats of primer, I will go in with the SXC Cosmetics base coat. And the base coat I'm using is from their Glow in the Dark polygel kit. I think it's the Zodiac 1 series. So that's the base coat that I'm using. So I'm adding a thin layer of this and then I'll put her under the lamp to cure. So once that base coat is cured, we're going in with the polygel, and the polygel that I'm using is from SXC Cosmetics as well. It's from the Bridal Series polygel kit and I think the color is Forever. It's just a really pretty kind of lavender color with some sparkles in it, some glitter, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's really pretty and I'm just applying that to all of the nails. I'm using alcohol as my slip solution and I'm using a number 6 brush from SXC Cosmetics as well. So as I mentioned before, and as you can probably see in the video, these are her natural nails. And when she just started, she had no nails. We were just doing gel polish and eventually she said she wanted to do some extensions, but she didn't like the acrylic, so I introduced her to the polygel and she likes the polygel. And as you can see, her nails are really flourishing. I'll insert a photo of her nails before we started doing the extensions right here. So as you can see, her nails were pretty short. So when I just started doing the extensions, I used paper nail forms and the polygel to sculpt her nails. And of course, as they grew, we just filed them down to her length, to her natural nail length. And this is where we're at. And this is what, 3-4 months later. So her nails are really flourishing and doing really well and really healthy. And that's my thing. I believe in healthy nails, and I believe that if I'm doing someone's nails, I should be taking care of their nails and ensuring that they're healthy. A lot of the times I hear people complain that, oh, the acrylic damaged my nails and the gel polish damaged my nails. But a lot of the times it's not the products that cause the damage. It's the nail tech that cause the damage, because a lot of the times they overfile, they use tools that have not been properly disinfected. They do things that cause damage to the nails. They don't take care of the nails. For example, if I'm doing, say, a colored acrylic, I ensure that I put down a clear layer so that I can protect the nails, and so that if the person comes another time and they want to change their color, I can always just file down to that clear layer of acrylic instead of having to soak off every 2 to 3 weeks when a person comes back to get their color changed, because that's not healthy for the nails. If you're going to keep soaking off, and then you're going to refile what you refiled 2 to 3 weeks ago, what you filed 2 to 3 weeks ago, then that's not healthy, and that is going to cause the nails to thin a lot and damage the nails. I have someone who, when she started to come to me, her nails were so damaged, and right now her nails are so nice and healthy. We've cut them so many times, and her nails are just flourishing as well. So I believe that nails should be healthy even if you're adding enhancements. And that's what it is. It's enhancements. It's not that you're going to damage your nails in order to get these nice nails. You're supposed to be taking care of your natural nails at the same time. So just see to it that whomever is doing your nails, you ensure that they are taking good care of your natural nails as well. Sorry for going off on a tangent, guys, but one tip I should give you when you're doing polygel nails is that once you have done a nail, I advise that you flash cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds under your lamp, because sometimes when you're doing other nails, you can accidentally mess up the previous nail if you haven't flash cured it. And the product can also kind of move around the cuticle area, especially for me because I live in Jamaica where it is always warm, hot, whatever you want to call it, all year round. So yeah, I advise that you do that, and then once you have completed all of the nails, then you just put them under the lamp for the full 60 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the type of lamp that you're using. So once the nails were fully cured, I removed the sticky layer and I filed and shaped off camera. And now I am going in with my Mia Secret Extra Bond Non-Acid Primer again, just on the tips, just to give an extra bit of security so that my polish doesn't chip easily. So for this design, I'll be using a white gel polish, but first I'm going in with a base coat, and I'll explain why. So when you try to draw the design with the white gel polish, what happens is that it kind of spreads or bleeds into the polygel, so you don't get that sharp line that you need for this design. So that is why I add the base coat, and once I have added that thin layer of base coat and cured, I also remove the sticky layer, because the same thing will happen if I start to draw the design on the sticky layer. So to get that sharp line, just ensure that you add your base coat and you remove that sticky layer. So now I'm just going in with one of these liner brushes and a white gel polish from SXE Cosmetics again, and I am just making that V-shaped design at the tip of her nails, as you can see here. And I'm just going, drawing from one side to the middle of the nail, and then, just filling in the space, and also doing it from the other end, and, basically just doing the same thing on the opposite side. once I was finished with the design, we cured, added our top coat and cured again, and then this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and leave me a comment. Until next time, bye bye.